Hello everyone, let's move to the next command for user administration. Here we have usermod. So usermod is also an important command. This command basically used to modify the attributes of already created users. Suppose I have created a user like Vivek user I have created. Now I want that some changes on that user. So with that command you can do that. In Unix or Linux distribution, the command usermod is used to modify or change any attributes of a already created user account via command line. Let me show you. Suppose I'm going to create a user first. I've created a user Vivek now, and let me give a password because it's always required whenever you create a user. It should have a password. It should not be empty. It's a security breach if you are not putting any password for that. The next is that, let me show that what are the entries we have in the etc password file for user Vivek. Now what I want here, the user ID the system has given to 1004. I want it should be changed to some other user ID. How we can do that? Usermod -u. I want it should be this one. But make sure this user ID should be free. So let me give some different number, and at last I can give Vivek. It's done now. If you want to cross check, you can see that this user ID has been changed now. So like this way you can do a lot of changes, like there is one more command ID Vivek. It will give you the detail about this user. So group, by default, when you create a user and you are not specifying that this particular user will be the part of any group, so what will happen, the system will create a group with the same name as a user here. So Vivek is a user as well as Vivek is a group as well. Now I want that this Vivek should be a part of an admin group. In the last lecture we had created a group admin, or if you want you can check it here as well. Cat etc group, and you can just grep with this admin. And I want that this Vivek user should be the part of admin group. How we can do that? Usermod -g admin and Vivek. It's done now. You want to cross check ID Vivek. Here you can see that earlier it was showing Vivek and Vivek. Now it has been changed from Vivek to admin group. So this is an important command, and as a system admin many times you have to use this command. Let's move to the next command, that is for the group add. We already understand what is a command to add a group. It's a group add command. We had created group like admin group in the last lecture. So the same command which can be used to create a group. Groupdel. So this is basically to delete a group. So suppose I am going to create a group. So group add HR department, I have created a group and I want to delete. Simple, group del, so it will be deleted. ID, it shows the user information of a user. Print real and effective user and group IDs. So like this way, ID Vivek, you can see all the information about that. ID tag, so it's a command which will give you quick information about the user. Otherwise you have to grep the file etc password file, and in that file you have to grep for Vivek or tag the users to get all the information. But with that command you can immediately get the information about the users. The chase command. So chase command, that we will understand in the next lecture. So friend, that's all for this lecture. Take care, and if you have time, please join with me to understand the new important command. So thanks for watching.